Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about writing letters. There are two ways of writing letters. One is formal, another is informal. And today we'll learn how to write a formal letter. Letter writing is a kind of skill. Despite the use of wide range of usage of emails, text messages, everyone has to write letters at some point. Letter of complaints, letter of requests, job applications, and whatnot. List is on and on. It's very long. Encouraging ourselves to write letters from an early age will help us to improve our communication skills, social skills, handwriting, and whatnot. So, let us start. I welcome you all to Kamlesh Sir ki class that you can easily find on YouTube channel. So press subscribe button there. And today we are going to learn letter writing, formal letter writing. So in formal letter writing, the first thing what we need, that is sender's address. We have to start formal letter writing with sender's address. This is one for you all as an example. Next comes date, but please remember, after sender's address, we have to maintain one line gap before writing date. So this is date for you. After that, once again, you have to maintain one line space for writing a receiver's address. Here, you have to take a very good care. When we write sender's address, it is better if we maintain sender's address in two lines only. For first line, local address, and for second line, place. But for the receiver's address, we can go up to three lines. First line for the designation of the person to whom you are writing the letter. Second line for receiver's address to be used for local address. And third line for receiver's address to be used for city. After receiver's address, once again, one line space, and then comes subject. Here, example for you, we are going to write a letter on inquiry about CAT coaching classes. After subject, it comes salutation. Dear sir or dear madam, means it is up to you. If you are writing a male, it is dear sir. If you are writing to a female, it is madam. If you are not sure whether the director or the person on post is male or female, then you are free to write dear sir oblique madam. After salutation, it comes the body. Example for you. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India for CAT coaching classes. This is the purpose that you have mentioned. Then I'm keen on joining your institution for the coaching classes. Your intention? Kindly let me know about procedure of applying for qualifying test and its date. I would also like to know the duration of the coaching program, the duration and the number of classes per week along with the available mode of classes. Information about fees payable and study materials is highly appreciated. Could you please send me a copy of your prospectus? This is the need that you want to know, means you are seeking for information. Then comes closing. Closing is a very important part of formal letter. How to close this? So here one example for you. I would like to enroll as soon as possible. Your early response will enable me to decide fast. After closing, it comes gratitude. What is gratitude? Finish it in very short by writing thank you. After gratitude, it is sender's name with subscription, sincerely yours, and then your name. In place of sincerely yours, you can also write truly yours. You can also write regards. But Please do not write yours obediently or yours faithfully. That must be avoided in letter writing. Another important points. The first one, your letter should be simple and focused. It means you need not to add any information that is not at all required for that particular letter. Next comes, get the purpose of your letter clear. As I have already told you in body, when we started body, that the purpose of our letter must be kept, must be made very clear at the beginning. Next comes, letter must be justified by left. Let me go back to the letter once again. You can see that by left hand side it is justified. कहने का मतलब ये है कि आप बाईं तरफ देखेंगे तो आप देखेंगे सारी की सारी चीजें एक लाइन में ही लिखी हुई हैं. Whether it is sender's address, a date, a receiver's address, a subject, a salutation, body, everything is being started by left hand side in a very straight line. इसे हम कहते हैं left aligned text. Fine. So coming to that point only, letter must be justified by left. Next point, use a plain for such plain font for such as Arial or Times New Roman or Courier or whatever, and font size should be 10 or 12. This point, particular point, is when you are going to print your letter, then these things to be taken care of. That font style should be either Arial or Times New Roman, but I would suggest all of you, if you keep this as Arial, though you can also go with Courier New, Verdana and all this. Another point that to be taken care of is font size must not increase, must not go beyond 12. Next comes, leave a blank line after sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, the salutation, and of course after the gratitude that you have already seen in the example. Next point, business letter should always be printed on white bond paper rather than on colored paper or personal stationery. So once again, if you are going to print your letter before giving, then point number 3 and point number 5 to be taken care of strictly. Business letter should always be printed on white bond paper. So thank you once again. Don't forget Kamlesh sir ki class on YouTube, and of course like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.